So hey everybody, my name is Ganesh. I'm from the Qt group. You might have seen me outside with the booth. Today I'm going to talk about the Qt framework. In general, if you guys are not aware, so Qt is a designer developer framework based primarily out of C++. With Qt, you could actually build applications with GUI, and of course also headless applications with the range of libraries that we have. I'll be talking about that in a bit. But in general, as a company, we actually help a lot of people improve their productivity in the entire product development process. Along with the Qt framework, we also have other tools for designing development and for quality assurance tools. But today, for this conference, I'll talk about only the framework. But in general, the Qt framework libraries, other than the Qt core, which is basically the fundamental part of creating C++-based applications to develop GUI, there's also 50 different middleware and UI component libraries, where, like, for example, communication-based libraries where you could directly plug in into your C++ application and have it ready. Of course, this helps to accelerate your time to market. So basically, you don't have to develop anything from scratch. And of course, the main aspect of Qt framework is it's cross-platform, and the APIs are all abstracted, so you could basically run in multiple different platforms. I'll be demonstrating one of those platforms here, but you could also see it others outside in the booth. In general, also to make it fully abstracted, also the hardware and graphics accelerations is also abstracted. You could basically run it on a range of embedded devices on high-end MPUs and also on low-end MCUs. So that's the challenge in the general, which the demonstration that I will show now will address, how to make an application using the Qt framework and also deploy it into multiple platforms. So for this purpose, I'll be showing end-to-end tooling for connected industrial vehicles. This is a mining machine demo, which one of our prospects wanted to see. It's basically a mixture of cluster and also the 3D model of the actual mining machine. And the strategy for deployment, we basically chose to use Qt framework to build the application, to deploy on desktop, MPU, mobile, web, and also on MCU, all connected over MQTT using the QMQTT communication protocol, where we just publish the messages which will be then subscribed by all the clients here. In this demonstration, I'll be showing only the web part, but if you're interested in seeing the MPU and MCU part, you could see it outside on Raspberry Pi and STM device in the booth. So here you see this is a standard cluster application, and you see all the buttons that has been created in Figma, which is a third-party designing application, and then you bring it into the Qt infrastructure and QML code generated on the front end, all powered through a Qt-based C++ application. And using Qt, you would have meta-object compilation, which basically will create signals and slots where what happens when you click on this button with the business logic associated with it at the back end. You could also bring in 3D assets from Blender, for example, also into the scene, and then you could also host it into a web-based application, as you see here. So that was pretty much it. So if you have more questions, if you want to know more about Qt, please meet me outside or just log into qt.io. Thank you.